it's your buddy Cal here for another stupid L video. Today, it's gonna be about modeling. Yeah, that's right. Modeling, okay? Models. You know what I mean, right? We're building a diorama today. And it's gonna be pretty good. Because guess what? At this current time, it's already done. But you don't know that. Or at least you didn't know that. Or at least you won't know. Excuse me, folks. I gotta take this. Hello? Really? It's you? Dude, you're interrupting my stupid L video. Yeah. Yeah, and you better bet you're in the gutter too. Just like you always are. Come on, man. Really? No, I'm not giving you more money. I don't care about your girl's boyfriend's sister either. Okay, bye. Sorry about that, folks. But, anyway, like I said, today's video we're going to create a diorama, much like the ones I have along here. And hope you enjoy. See you there.
We should be, sooner or later, getting a very precious parcel. Sooner or later. One of these days. Maybe there's a tapping motion I'm supposed to do, maybe? Maybe the bullseye. No, that's not working. Ah, there it is. Our precious parcel. Yes. Okay, I think it's time to open it, otherwise we might have some problems, eh? So, ooh, what is this? It says a display case and some material, fluffy material, like cotton. What else do we got in here? Ah, a clock. See, a clock. Surely there's something more interesting. Oh, wire. Yes, very boring. Very boring. Don't care about wire. What else? Ah, there. That's what we're looking for. It's a model, eh? See? It's a model, see?
My lord, it is a Rebellion Tanta V4.
Ah, that's what it was. Alas, very cool. All right. And what might this be?
That's a resistor. It's a thing that you use to change the voltage of the meters and you adjust the power ratio that is transported to the motors.
Oh, hey, very neat. So, and this little thing here.
That'll be a voltage meter. It meters the voltage. It tells you what the volts are going to be on your pack, on your battery life. See? Very important. You got to keep the voltage, otherwise it's going to be implosive. You're not going to know what's going on in your batteries.
Hey, thank you very much. That's fantastic. Now, it looks like we got some pieces of pasta someone left in there. Hold on. Maybe not. They do have metal attached. I suppose. Hold on. There's a battery pack. Positive and negative wire. Let's see something here. Anyway, what we're looking at is an LED. So this is a squiggly LED filament. See? Cool. And here's another one. And here's some resistors. And it looks like we got two LEDs. Both are green. Cool. And this one is the whole goes on the positive. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's green. Other side. That's also green. Hey, all right. Cool. Enough of this shenanigans. Let's get to making a diorama. Piece of paper right here. And now we'll just start it right here. Nothing better than a dino pen, right? All right. Now it's time. It is time. Wait 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I'm just wrapping a piece of wire around an old airbrush needle and making essentially a stronger wire that I can use as my structure for the explosion. I'm also going to try and energize this so that the positive power will come through the base, through this, to this ship. So, we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's add a layer of some Mr. Mahogany surface here.
so here's what we got so far. Got it dusted, and we got basically like a zenithal highlight going on. So you got the darks on the bottom, and then the lights on the top. It's a little bit more white than the pictures that I found, so I'm going to try and hopefully make it a little bit more tan. Obviously we've got put the red on there and put washes on it and other weathering effects, so we'll see how that goes.
So now I got this thing, this clock, and my idea is to put the clock on there too, so I want to see if this thing is actually capable of being put on that base. So let's take this apart. Alright, so here I got 2 brand new AA batteries. I'm going to use my little thingamajig to test how much voltage it puts out. 3.26 is what it's registering. Okay then. Because these other two registered 3.33. And these are not even brand new. It's quite odd. I'm going to test this again. Yep. 3.33. Alrighty folks, so here's what I got so far. Some foam. Stuck some foam together and, you know, got this to fit on here. My ship. Yeah. I haven't soldered it all together yet, but a little voltage meter. So that's pretty cool. Just a box. I just stuck a bunch of pieces of foam, made a box, and then got this thing here. My piece of metal. I'm gonna put a light back there. And this black, I'm gonna make the stars behind there. And right now, I'm working on the ship here. I'm gonna do a little hole, drill a little hole in here on each side, and then stick this around that to have the little thing for the explosion. Alright, so here we are. I finished the soldering and everything on here. Got the 2 blaster bolts and the explosion here, and then finished most of the soldering on this. So bing, got a light in the back, and we're gonna make that stars by putting little holes. And then right now I am currently using 1-time lightweight spackling and covering up this gap. Carefully. I got all the, what do you want to call that? Cotton. All the cotton on here. And I basically just used a hot glue gun, squirted it all over the wire, and then slapped it on. So, that's that. So, hopefully this will work. Try and airbrush this now, so that we can have an explosion. Use some red, yellow, probably black too. So, let's see.
it's finally coming together. I'm gonna take this tape off here. Finally got the ship painted. I got the sides, the wood on there, and stained the wood. Let's see. This is tricky. Got the starry background on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this in place. And this is all tin foil, and I got my light back here so that hopefully the stars are, hopefully the background is gonna look like stars, so the light should shine through there. Okay. Alright, here we are. Got everything all buttoned up pretty much. Just gotta get the little sticky things off. Let's see if it works. This is the moment of truth. Alright, lights off. Nothing. Alright, moment of truth. Yes, it was a couple crossed wires or something like that. Weird. That was making a beep, 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 beep. But anyway. Joke's on you. I already tested it. So ready? Flip the switch here. Boom. We got the clock. Flip the switch here for the backlight. Dial. Okay. That's that. What do you think, guys? Oh, yeah. I'm digging it. Hey, you know what? If you watch to the end, this is your reward. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.